Hey, welcome back to my channel. MOSTOLUS 4884495AK engine intake manifold compatible with fitment. Compatible for Chrysler Sebring 2007 to 2009, compatible for Dodge Avenger 2008-2009, compatible for Dodge Caliber 2007 to 2011, compatible for Dodge Journey 2009 to 2011, compatible for Jeep Compass 2007 to 2017, compatible for Jeep Patriot 2007 to 2017. Intercharge part number 4884495AK, 4884495AD, 4884495AE, 4884495AF, 4884495AG, 4884495AH, 4884495AI, 4884495AJ, 4884542AC. Exact match to the OEM, same performance to Origina. Function: the intake manifold supplies air to the cylinders of an engine. High quality material, excellent performance, high resistance. High quality? This intake manifold is made to meet or even exceed the standard quality to help your car start normally. Note: please check the year, make, model and trim of your vehicle in the garage before purchase. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.